In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Keynote. First, open the App Store on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. You can find the App Store icon on your home screen. On an iPhone or iPad, it looks like a blue square with a white letter A in the middle. On a Mac, it resembles a shopping bag with the same letter. Tapping on this icon will take you directly into the App Store environment where you can access a plethora of apps. This is an important step because the App Store is where you will find Keynote and many other applications that enhance your device's functionality. Next, you'll want to search for Keynote. Look for the search bar, usually located at the top of the screen. Tap or click on it to bring up your keyboard. Type in Keynote and hit Enter or tap the search button. As you type, you may notice suggestions appear. These can help guide you to the exact app you need. This step is crucial because it ensures you're looking for the correct application among the many available. Once you see Keynote in the search results, tap or click on Get if you're on an iPhone or iPad. If you've downloaded it before, you might see a download button instead. Tapping this button will initiate the download process. This action is significant as it is the gateway to accessing the powerful presentation tools Keynote offers. You're one step closer to creating stunning presentations. After tapping Get or Download, you may be prompted to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account password. This verification is a security measure to ensure that the download is authorized. It protects your account from unauthorized purchases. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this authentication. It may feel like a small step, but it is essential for keeping your account secure. Now wait for Keynote to download and install. You will see a progress indicator on the app icon. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. While waiting, you can take a moment to appreciate that once this is complete, you will have access to a powerful tool for creating presentations. Just be patient during this process, and soon you'll be ready to dive into your creative work. Once the download is complete, open Keynote. You can do this by tapping the app icon on your home screen or finding it in your Applications folder if you are on a Mac. When you open it, you might be prompted to sign in with your Apple account. This step is crucial because signing in allows you to access your files and preferences seamlessly. You will see a straightforward sign-in screen guiding you through this process. After signing in, you are ready to start creating or editing presentations. Explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with the tools available. You can create new presentations or edit existing ones. This is an exciting moment as you now have the ability to bring your ideas to life using Keynote's powerful features. Remember, you can always refer back to this video if you need help or a quick refresher on the download process. Thank you for watching. Enjoy creating with Keynote.